bison. We walked down to the meadow and they're right behind me. Made it to Devil's Tower. It's literally right there. And now we're walking to the playground. I just showered. Good night. See you tomorrow morning. Good morning, vlog. We're about to leave. Say bye to the cabin.
We're going to Devil's Tower, which was originally also called Bear Lodge. It's an interesting story about legislation you probably don't care about.
Are we hiking it?
We're not going to hike it, but there's apparently a prairie dog situation around, so it's, a prairie dog is popping up and saying hi.
Yeah.
So after that, we will drive to Deadwood, which is kind of a touristy location that really, it's like they left an old western town alone, and so there's saloons and various places to see. I mean, like if we wanted to see reenactments, which I think would be kind of funny and cheesy in the best kind of way, in the best kind of I'm on vacation kind of way.
Yeah,
and then we'll head after that to
Badlands.
Yeah, Badlands.
It's actually really nice today. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees, which is really different from, it felt like 15 when we were at the Tetons. And this outfit. Got to Badlands, and now I think we're gonna go on a 3-mile hike. Okay, vlog, Kendall and I are off-roading. It's time to go back down now. That was cool. Hey guys, this is our cabin tour at Devil's Tower. Here are the chairs. When you go inside, it smells really nice in here. Here's my bed. This is where Dad and I are going to be sleeping tonight. Fridge, microwave, trash cans. She's trying to clip. This is me and Mom's bed. Yeah. TV, and then table. Toilet in here. Mirror. We went to get dinner, which was in the Cedar Pass Lodge. So I got some earrings. There's some studs and then some hoops. They're so cute. I love them so much. And we also just got ice cream. That was so good. But I think it's going to start raining soon. Good morning, vlog, and happy 4th of July. Right now we're going to the gas station to get some breakfast. And then we have a 7-hour drive today. And then we get to go to like a fair or something later on. And that'll be really fun. We're going to the 4th of July festival. I don't know where I got this headband. The shirt is from Target. This is from Hollister. She's hacking the phone.
I don't think I can take over. I'm not talented enough. Scott, take over. We're just hanging out here waiting for the fireworks. So yeah, it's gonna be great. They're gonna be explosive and it's gonna be fun.
And the sun is setting right now, so it's like kind of pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, that one's fun. Oh, I like that.